a crispness in the air when autumn arrives, and the apple meets us there, ready in its moment. A storied companion, hold one and you're holding a thread through time. For centuries, apples have been companions in our human journey, woven into stories of curiosity, awakening, and the choices that shape us. In Eden, the apple speaks to curiosity and consequence. In Snow White, it warns, look twice, see true. On the American frontier, a barefoot sower we remember as Johnny Appleseed tucks seeds into riverbanks and village edges, orchards for winters no one had yet lived. A teacher's desk, a glowing logo, a lunchbox after recess. The apple keeps pointing to learning, making, mending. The apple story is not just about history, it's about transition. It arrives in autumn when the days grow shorter, offering sweet, crisp nourishment as we turn inward for the colder months ahead, and ask us to listen, to choose wisely, and to savor the quiet nourishment this season brings. And this nourishment is not just poetic, it is deeply practical. One medium apple, 182 grams, has 95 calories. It's got 25 grams carbs, 4 grams fiber, 19 grams sugars, 0.5 grams protein, and 0.3 grams fat. It's got vitamin C, B6, and K, and minerals, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. And apples are rich in polyphenols. The phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, rings true. Apples are hydrating, fiber-rich, and cleansing, supporting digestion while gently assisting the body's natural detoxification processes. Their antioxidants and vitamin C help strengthen immune health during seasonal transitions, while their fiber supports gut health and steady energy throughout your day. Apples store well, making them an important fruit for nourishment through the colder months. Choose organic apples when possible, looking for firm fruits with a bright fragrance and unbroken skin. Store them in a cool place or in the refrigerator, where they can keep for weeks while continuing to ripen gently. Apples are a sweet, subacid fruit that pair well with leafy greens and other subacid fruits like pears and berries. They can be enjoyed fresh, juiced, or blended. I like to slice them into salads for crisp sweetness. Varieties like Granny Smith offer a tart, bright flavor, while Pink Lady apples provide a balanced sweetness, allowing you to explore a range of taste and benefits within this single fruit. Enjoying apples as a mono meal can be a simple, hydrating, and satisfying option in the day-to-day. Apples. They remind us to slow down, to choose wisely, and to savor the quiet nourishment this season brings. Your apple recipe card and mandala coloring sheet are available in the free-to-join Fruitiful Soul Society. Click the link in the description to access them. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.